I wear the shirt. What's going on? What's going on with the shirt?
It's Galaxy, dog.
Stella a young 360.
You know, so.
Saying a young 360, Baba. Okay, he's all into it. Lucky one. Bam! Okay. What is the nigga saying? What is the nigga saying?
Yo.
Talk to us nice. Talk to us properly.
Yo, guys.
What you talking about?
Yo, guys. Something crazy just happened. Wow. So the previous video where we were kissing the chicks and doing the liquor prank.
Okay. Bro, y'all I got this. Okay.
So the homie was kissing somebody else's bitch.
Of course.
And this nigga, he now trying to fight. See, the shoes.
We see y'all, baddies. We see y'all.
You see those two bitches? The homie of one of those bitches bought this bitch a shoe. So now since he saw that this girl was kissing on this nigga, he wants the shoes back.
He wants his shoe back cause this bitch is cheating.
He wants his shoe back.
He wants his shoes back.
With my nigga trash.
Come on.
AMP visuals.
Come on. Where Joseph at? Where JD at? Where the goat at?
Content
Where the goat at?
Village Braai.
Come on.
Otherwise, we coming to you live from the 05 City of Roses.
Please like and subscribe.
We out here.
Hit that notification bell. You know what's up. If you post the building.
Yes, sir.
Catch me on Facebook as Mr. Classic Alpha May. Yeah? I'm an alpha.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? So please subscribe, comment, and like on AMP Visuals.
ZA, baby.
With the ball.
Tell your mama to tell your daddy to tell your sister and tell your brother to enjoy their December because this is the festive season. We gotta have fun. We gotta have fun. We gotta.
Guys, whatever you do, please don't forget it's December. GBV, March Against GBV. Stop abusing women. We got 2 ladies missing in Bloemfontein. One of them was found dead in Fish Night. Please stop abusing women. Fight against GBV is real, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Why is the ambulance here?
The ambulance is even here. The ambulance.
Why is the ambulance here, bro?
You know.
What's up? It's crazy out here. Be careful, y'all.
You know Tarvin vibes.
Somebody got stabbed.
Someone just got stabbed.
I saw him get stabbed.
Is that my shit?
I don't know.
Guys, is that my shit? Is that my shit? That's my shit over there, bro.
Why didn't you leave your shit over there, bro?
That's my shit over there.
Pause.
It's puff pass. Please look out there, down there. Thank you. Motherfuckers been kicking my shit.
Puff pass. Individuals subscribe.
Nigga, you see, a school book is a way out of who.
Yeah, you know what, bro? I've been complaining about my land fucking law, bro. That man is giving me fucking hard times, this nigga. And I pay no fucking cash, bro.
Niggas, you don't believe that shit.
Come the fuck
You
down.
don't, bruh, I can't come down, dog.
This nigga's the one who
I
did my
can't,
tats.
bruh,
This nigga the
I
one who
can't
did my tats.
fucking come down. I wanna come up.
Check.
Huh?
Check.
You feel me?
This is the nigga who did my
I wanna
tats.
check my off.
This is the nigga who did
I
the
wanna
tats.
check my ass up,
Check.
nigga. I wanna come up. I'm pissed. I'm pissed, nigga. You feel me? I'm Jordan. I can't fucking come down. I wanna come up. I wanna jack my elf off. You feel me? I don't know what I'm saying, but I wanna jack my elf off. You feel me?
Tell them.
I wanna smoke. It's so fun out here. I love what is going on right now. I love what is happening.
Hi. A lot is going on. Hey, fuck. My brother, are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm not okay, bruh.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
telling my nigga, yeah. I'm not okay. I wanna smoke my shit. What you talking about, bruh? What you talking about?
Can anybody smoke my nigga? Please smoke him up.
Smoke me up, nigga. Smoke me up.
I got it. It is involved.
It's in balls. Give me something. Give me something.
Do you mind if I use your cigarette to light the blunt?
Thank you. Can't wait. I got weed, bro. In my pocket.
That's what's up.
A lot is going on.
A lot is going on here. Bona, they say the night doesn't have to be perfect, but your outfit can be perfect. You know. That's what's up.
What you talking about? What you talking about?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay. Let's go, young Triple Day.
Bro.
Young Triple Day. Tell us about your trip. Tell us about your trip.
This is your boy, Cernic.
Okay, and what you rocking, sir Nick? What you rocking?
Bro, I'm rocking Mr. Price fucking.
Alright, keep it easy, keep it
Yeah,
easy,
you
keep
know,
it easy.
we get it at Mr. Price for like,
where?
I think it's like 80 bucks.
Okay.
100 and something bucks.
Alright, I
And then,
see you.
I got your Sunday pants.
Yeah.
These are probably like 250 bucks at Mr. Price. And then
Alright, keep
but
it
not-
easy.
Last but not least, I got your claws, baby. I got your claws.
What do you call these?
Yo, these are your claws. Claws.
Come on. Come on.
And these you can get at Mr. Siseko. Mr. Siseko.
Get your tag.
Get your tag, guys. Get your tag. This
On that
you can
note,
get-
give us the last piece, baby. What's going on? What's going on?
This is a smart band watch. Get your tag, baby. This
What
can
does it
track
do?
your- This
What
can
does
track
it
your
do?
fitness. This can track your
Imalini,
fitness.
baba. Imalini,
This
baba.
can
For how
check your
much?
fitness. This can check your WhatsApp.
Stop
This can
talking
check
too
your
much. Give us the
Facebook.
price, bro.
This can
Stop
check
talking
your-
too much.
This is 400.
Just give us the. Thank
This
you.
is 400.
Alright.
Yo.
400.
So
This shit we got it at Markham said about like 450 or something.
Okay,
Dog,
okay.
Dog, we got it like no, it's Mr. Price.
Alright.
Something. We got them Adidas socks at about 2 something. We got them Adidas sneakers at about 1 point something. You know, my nigga.
alright. Keep it easy. Thank you.
So, it's your boy Iboki, you know what's up? I was chilling in the net, so I got myself a red bed, 150.
Alright.
Cling!
The quick
So you
easy
know what's
one,
up? I got my
easy.
own bread, so know me about you. Cling!
Priceless. That one is
The G,
priceless.
Mr. Price, you know.
The
Yeah,
G?
this one is classic, Mr. Price, so I don't need to tell the price, you know what's up.
Aight.
When I go to the feet, I can turn and say, hey, go just a little, listen,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna got money. Yo, young dripper there.
Young dripper there. Tell us. Tell us about your drip, mister. Tell us about your drip, mister.
How much is that? How much, baby?
How much is your drip from head to toe? From head to toe. From head to toe. Yo, Mr. Classic, shut the fuck up. It's not your face. Hey, aye. After the dribble there, we dripping him. Hey, what you got? What's allowed? From head to toe.
from the beverage. Let's start here.
Alright.
Yeah, this is flying fish. I'm not trying to get an endorsement or some shit. There's some shit I like, dog. It keeps me tripped up. You feel me? Flying fish, $25. Nothing much, $25. Yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
But then, the haircut is done by me, dog. Please support me. Diamond haircut at Bergman Square, near Village Square, bros. Yeah, I deliver the best. The shades are from the streets. I don't want to cap.
Get blind take a sex.
I want to cap, dog.
The shades are from the streets.
They from the streets.
Aware.
From those young black entrepreneurs.
The black market.
The black market.
Yo, peace and love, my nigga. I see you.
We see you, brother. Yeah, you feel me? I bought this from a street vendor. A young black woman.
Aware.
For $70.
I bet. Nothing too crazy.
Yo, I'm all
Let's
about
go
the
the pearls. What's on the neck, baby? Tell us about the
Nah,
neck.
the necks. Fuck. Yo, dog, this is custom made by Dingo.
Okay.
Dingo the jeweler.
Big ups.
Dingo the jeweler.
Yes.
Nothing too crazy.
We
Nothing
got
too
Sheen,
crazy.
baby. We got Sheen, baby. And
Okay.
yeah, obviously this is me, dog. I'm
know
a
what's
sweat designer, dog.
You know what's up?
Made this shit from like him on a scratch, handmade. You can't see.
Already it's like
It's
700.
priceless. It's priceless.
It's fucking priceless, dog.
Aware.
This was about prices, right? Goddamn, yeah. It's priceless, dog, yeah.
Aware. The shirt. What's
The
going on?
shirt.
What's going on with the shirt?
It's Galaxy, dog. Galaxy boy.
Stella a young 360.
You know what's up?
Saying a young 360, Baba.
Y'all know this shit is
Aware.
$800.
Aware.
$800.
Okay. Something too crazy. Something too crazy.
But we just basic.
Aware. The pants. Keep on. What's with the pants?
Pants are for me, dog. This is a template plan.
Aware.
Fucking pants. And I fucking customize it, dog. You feel me? Yeah. And these are from Nike. Yeah, Nike.
Alright.
You know, that's 2.5.
2.5. Woo. Okay, something too crazy. Something too crazy. Yo! Star Black in the building. We see you, dog. We're doing a young drip or dare. Yeah, tell us about your outfit. Tell us about your outfit from head to
You guys
toe.
wanna know about my outfit? Like,
Yeah, dog. How much does it cost from head to toe?
from head to toe?
Yeah.
I wanna show you something, guys. This is Porsche, yeah?
Gosh.
Let me shout out
Let's see, boy.
I bought this at the fix. It only cost 140. It ain't that much.
Alright. A Porsche.
I also bought this.
Nothing too crazy.
I'm wearing Mr. Price and the fix, guys.
Okay.
I'm always wearing the fix and Mr. Price, guys.
That's right. Nothing too
Mr. Price,
crazy.
the fix, Shane, you ain't gonna look like shit.
It's not Shane, it's Sheen, bro.
It's Sheen.
That's right.
Okay, there's no much of conversation, guys. So whether it's Sheen or Shane, I'm calling it Shane. You Shane.
What's going on with the neck, bro? Before we go down,
I
what's on the
customized
neck?
this nigga. I did it today, guys. Like
You did it today.
guys.
So it's priceless, boy.
It's priceless.
It's priceless, my
As
boy.
you can see, like, it's homemade, guys. Man. It's homemade, guys. It's homemade.
Custom made. I love you, bro. I love
like
you, bro.
doing this shit at my home, guys.
Away.
I'm that type of nigga, guys. Man.
So let's finish the fit, bro. Let's finish the fit. Just keep on pants.
Pants. I bought this niggas. I bought this at side. What is it? Side step. Yes. I bought them at side step, guys, man. It only costed me 1.3 back then. It has 3 years alive.
Alright. We see you. We see you, Star Black.
So like, I'm not that expensive.
Away.
Just that I wanna be clean.
Nothing too crazy.
I wanna be clean.
But you clean and dripped up, my dog. That's what we like
I
about
wanna be clean.
Away.
Anyways, guys, the thing is that I wanna tell about this Porsche. Do you know how much is full tank of a Porsche? Oh wow. Okay, anyways.
Straight up, tell us.
Can I do this? It's a Porsche, guys. It's a Porsche. I mean, like Porsche Panamera.
I'm that
Guys, I'm not expensive. I'm clean.
What
I know
is?
what is clean.
Thank you, Star Black.
I'm always doing what is clean.
Before you leave, yes, Star Black, before you leave, please tell the YouTubers to like, comment, share, subscribe, and where can they find you?
Anyways, guys, I go by the name of Star Black. You can find me on Facebook, guys, on WhatsApp. I'm unavailable. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm going with AMP visuals, guys. I'm going with AMP visuals. So, guys, you guys gotta subscribe on their YouTube channel. So, guys,
nigga.
Shit is happening.
That's right.
Shit is happening.
Thank you, Star Black. We don't know about you, but niggas niggas is fresh, niggas is clean.
Yo, that was fresh. We got niggas that are clean and fresh out here, nigga. Yo, you gotta respect 057, you gotta respect the AMP visuals. You only
051 as well, my nigga.
051 too. Yo,
my nigga.
Bruh.
The 05 though.
Yeah, respect.
Do you think you will miss
home? I fucking miss home.
He misses the 7. He misses the 7.
Yeah, 051.
051, baby. The city of roses, right in the city of roses.
We out here. Coming to you live.
Oh yeah, follow me on Facebook. It's Shane Black ZA. I'm an artist, hip hop artist. Those who know me can tell you what I do when I get on stage. I drive the crowd crazy. Follow my work on AMP Visual ZA, and make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I love you all, and thank you for supporting me.
Why were your eyes closed, bro?
My eyes are not closed. My eyes are not closed.
Oh, we should show you. We should show you now. Let's get the fuck out of here.
We came here. Look at this geezer right now. Y'all are going to the salon now.
I think like this geezer. I want to get some berry tonight. I was angry. I was angry a few minutes ago. I was mad. I'm okay right now. I'm sober.
Between these two cheese.
We are still going to get everybody's a bit wasted right now, so it's a bit vibes all over. Please tune in, guys. Like and subscribe. MP Visual Saturday. Who's gonna get the girls? Salad. We got pop, we got salads, we got meat, we got liquor, we got y'all guys, we got the channel, we got everybody. It's a grateful night. Please like and subscribe.
That's a pimp, nigga. I don't know what is he pimping, but yeah, he looks like a pimp. Yo. Just go for it.
Yo, bro, are we gonna get those 3 chicks and we're gonna shoot them?
One of us. There's one of us left there. Hey, now we're waiting for Jordan to get him.
Let me and you do some waiting for him.
Who did I give the key to, dog? Who did I give the key to?
I'm saying we're waiting for him. And me and you do some stuff for them.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
Let's go. Guys, we are still trying to get 2 girls to kiss on camera.
Yo, listen.
What the fuck just happened?
Okay, guys, we just got pulled
What the
away.
fuck just happened?
Why have also
What's wrong with that bitch?
No,
What
we
is
can't
wrong?
catch this on camera. Not the one. This is not the one.
We are not doing this. These are old ladies. Stop trash. Guys, please stop.
Bro. Let the homie get his love from his fans, man. Let the homie get his love from his fans.
Trying to get us old ladies, bro.
Trying to get us some MILFs. Homie trying to get us some MILFs.
There ain't no young ones.
They know milk.
There ain't no youngest out here.
It's only MILFs.
No.
So we just
My guys, I know one of y'all got like a fantasy. Come out of here. Come out of here. You got a fantasy of milk. But I don't like milk for now.